Several hundred refugees and migrants launched a mass hunger strike in the Serbian capital, Belgrade. It was a desperate bid to convince neighboring European Union nations to open their borders. Many were from Afghanistan and Pakistan, and their January 24th protest took place outside abandoned warehouses where an estimated 1,200 people have been sleeping rough for several weeks in freezing temperatures. Several migrants and refugees refused to take food offered by a humanitarian group. They want to claim asylum in more prosperous EU countries and held signs saying, "We are not terrorists, we are peaceful people." Thousands have been stuck in Serbia since its neighbors in the region built fences to secure their borders in 2015. Many migrants and refugees refuse to go to official government shelters elsewhere for fear of being deported.